Hi guys, I'm Varun here to show you guys a product that will be a blessing in disguise for everyone cooking at home. I'm talking about the Maya Master Chopper, a fully equipped chopping and slicing station with several attachments to save prep time and also give perfect professional-like results at home with minimal effort. Let's check out the details. To use the chopper attachment, simply place the blade and you're good to go. The rotating blade exponentially speeds up the cutting process. And once you are done, simply replace the lid and store the chopped vegetables for a long time. An egg whisker and separator are also provided so that you can whip up super fluffy egg whites in no time, which generally take up ages to froth up. To use the slicing attachments, simply replace the lid and attach the blade of your choice. The slicing blade is perfect for salads and raw vegetables. The wavy slicer can be used to slice potatoes and get crinkle cut fries. The two-way julienne slicer makes perfect juliennes in a matter of seconds. The shredder gives you perfect shreds, be it cheese or vegetables. The grater works perfectly for grating hard cheeses or spices.